place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, yeah. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, I'll live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys had a great weekend. Let me get Zoom started here.
Recording in progress.
Alright, hey Zoom, how you guys doing?
Good morning.
Good morning.
How's everyone today?
Good.
Morning.
Alrighty.
Hope you guys had a good weekend.
I did.
That's good. Asian session closes in 1 hour.
Good
And you are the time of my life. Amaru, yeah. You brought the days to my nights. Hey, I did everything I said, but I did it all.
Good just wants to keep pushing here.
When you came my way, can nobody take your place. You know, like the game them play. Give it to you straight all day. Oh wow, body to the top, play. Make my
If you're watching on YouTube as well, just mute YouTube if you're on Zoom. For breakout, this is where we're gonna need go to GJ 166,550.
On that body, babe, you gon' take my breath away. Oh wow, she gon' make magic in the bedroom, and I can't wait. Big mood, in love with you forever. Yeah. No day owana odo ejinye la lo me.
Good morning, Mind Plat.
You bring the energy that I need to charge my life. And if it do you no wrong, baby.
You're waiting back confirmation on US30. Yeah, same here. I feel like she's gonna push up, but she's still ranging right now. Oh, speaking of which, I gotta mark this zone on NAS100.
Me, I bet you gon' like it. Lava, yeah, me, lava, yeah, me, lava, yeah, me, baby, yeah. Lava, yeah, me, lava, yeah, me, lava.
Good morning, Uwera. Will I short or long gold? I mean, right now I'm looking for longs because we actually broke structure. So I will be looking for longs until further notice.
Ain't no other girl hotter than you, girl, you next up. All we gotta do, we could pick up where we left off. Always wanted you, baby, we can be the best us. Oh yeah. Been around the block, but I'm back cause you the best out. Girl, I know you tired cause the world don't got you stressed out. This is our chance, baby, don't you let it pass us. Come over, yeah. Been had me from the start. You've been on my radar for too long. Want you to stay, babe. You'd never say the word. I could give you the.
Did I get the gold move? No, I did not.
I bet you gon' like it. Lava, yeah, me, lava, yeah, me, lava, with me, baby, yeah. Lava, yeah, me, lava, yeah, me, lava, with me, baby, yeah.
We could get a possible buys here, guys. GP1 will be right there.
I had a question. King, you doing buy stops or you automatically activate?
Yeah, I'm getting it manually. Market execution. I don't like using buy stops or sell stops, so basically pending orders. I don't like using them.
Okay.
And we got 220 plus people watching. Can we get 100 likes real quick?
Understood that they could use sound.
We might have to wait for London Open before we trade gold today. Because right here, I'm not interested in taking gold where we at right now. Wait for Asian session to close. New York session. What do you mean New York session? London session opens in about 50 minutes. We're not in New York session. Asian session closes in 50 minutes. That's why I still have this Asian session kill zone on right now. Once London opens, I'm gonna turn it off. You're in GU long position, done. Nice. I don't have my setup yet on gold. That's why I'm looking at GJ right now. Bilal good in doing nothing. I'm waiting for a retest, and we're gonna have a new Asian session high by the time Asian session closes, and we're gonna have to wait for price to break that before we take buys. Right now, if I take GJ right now, my first TP is gonna be back to the new Asian session highs, just like you guys see here on the chart.
Stepping in the spot like she own it. Looking like the world is your runway. She can set it off like a gunplay. Oh my, yeah.
NAS100. NAS100 is still in this range. You already missed the buy. There we go. You can check GJ buys. All right, GJ buys taken. All right. How many pips SL? On here it says 17 on trading view. It's probably like 16 or 15 pips. So this trade here, there's really no way to manage risk here. Stop loss is below this low. If this candle closes bullish, now we're gonna have a 5-minute support here. So we'll see what happens. You also in the same trade, Mark? All right. You took it before you joined the stream, or you just took it down?
I think US30 wanna go down.
Huh?
I think US30 wanna go down.
See. Oh yeah. If she breaks this support and gives a retest, come on, GJ. All we need right now is for GJ to break around 166.402.
If it breaks that one, you adding more buys or
No,
you're staying?
no, I'm gonna just leave my position. It doesn't make sense for GJ to actually fall because the same structure we broke before, plus we got a demand here, we broke it, came all the way back down to retest it. So we should continue pushing up. Now, if we do continue pushing up, now, can we break above this new Asian session high? We're just gonna have to wait and see. You think GBP will go down? Well, we'll see. Before I even start thinking, oh, GJ might go down, we need to break below this support. Alright, so right now I'm not even thinking about sales at all. That's why I took the buys in the first place when we came down and we rejected previous high. Let me ask you guys a question. Hold on. And this question is going to be for those of you on Zoom and you guys on YouTube as well. So whenever you take your first trade for the week, whether you win or you lose your first trade for the week, how do you guys feel going into the next trade or for that week? How do you guys feel? Do you feel like it keeps you motivated or like it just affects your psychology?
Feel nothing. Before that first times, I was feeling bad, down. But now, no feelings at all.
Good answer. Good answer. That basically just shows the level of
You win, you lose. It's part of the game, you know.
yeah. Your answer proves your level of experience in this market.
Looking so bored out your mind, though. You kinda give me the sign, so conversations became relations.
Nice.
Escaping, heart is taken. I've been waiting, I've been patient. Thought you've been down, heard you skip down and can't be found. Where are you?
It's not first and not last time. An hour later, you know.
But you keep
Yeah.
don't know if you recall it, but last time
you get riled up with your first trade.
found you on my way yet again. We must be meant for each other, baby, don't fight it.
I wake up, do coffee, sit on the charts, chilling.
Baby, won't you
Yeah.
come home right now? Baby, won't you come home right now? Yeah. Need to know that you
I'm not really liking this, looking at the 3 minute, but we'll see.
love for you. Did it for love. No escaping. Heart is taken. I've been waiting.
We shall see, because GJ likes to freaking play games.
Can't be found. Where are you now, baby? Deep down, I know you've been missing me.
It messes your wake up if you start with a red day. No, don't let that happen, Megan. Doesn't matter if it's your first trade for the week, second trade, third trade. Like, and I also try to tell people, like, before you take a position, first of all, you got to make sure the trade is the setup that you usually take, the setup that you actually like, and then also you also have to go into that trade with the mindset of, hey, this trade I'm about to get into, I'm either gonna win it or I'm gonna lose it. But that you also have to make sure that it's the right setup, because you want to win. At the same time, you have to have that in the back of your mind that it could be a winning trade or it could be a losing trade. If you have that mindset before you go into that trade, even if you end up losing it, it's not going to affect you that much. I'm not going to sit here and say, oh, okay, if you lose a trade, it's not going to affect you at all. No, if I say that, then I'm just lying to you, because we're humans, and this involves money. So, but you just have to, make sure that it doesn't affect you that much. And the way you can do that is by having that mindset in the beginning. Hey, I'm either going to win this or I'm going to lose it. So that's going to help your psychology. At least that's what I do.
I can switch it up for you, girl. I'm no longer a player. See that pretty face on my screen, that'll make my day. I'm only looking for loyalty. All I need from you. I'm thinking you be the one for me.
Do I do one-on-one? Yeah, I do. seem like I care. It seem like I care if people make money. Of course. That's why I'm on. That's why I'm on YouTube. That's why I'm sharing my knowledge. That's why I'm giving value. But also at the end of the day, I can only do so much. I can only do so much. The main job relies on you. The main job relies on you. And what I mean by that is that you also have to make sure that eventually you'll be able to do this on your own without relying on anyone. Like if you keep relying on a particular trader, and what happens if that trader has an emergency and couldn't send signal or couldn't go live on YouTube, then you just stuck. If you can't send signal or go live on YouTube for like a week, then what are you gonna do? So you're not gonna make money for 1 week? So rely on yourself, depend on yourself. Make sure you gain the knowledge, the skill set to be able to do this on your own. And don't depend on anyone. Because at the end of the day, you can only depend on yourself. This thing is moving. How many pips is this? 7, 65, 14. Let's see what that's gonna give me. 10. See. I don't know, I might have to switch my GJ to Rwanda. I'm moving my stop loss, guys, to this low. Moving my stop loss to 166.251. I should be about 8 pips. $166.251. Red Lady, you good? I don't know why I can't see you guys on Zoom.
I have no camera, sorry.
Yeah, like I can't even see you guys at all. Am I taking US30 sell? And I'm gonna wait for London. But right now she should fall though. They're taking it right there. We have TP1 somewhere here. So This will be my setup for US30. But I'm not taking it. Even if I wanted to, it's too late now. So I'll wait for GJ. Oh, what's my spread on US30? Spread on US30. My spread on US30 is 14 points. That's my spread on US30, 14 points.
She the girl in my visions. Now that I found you, I'm feeling for all your attention. Yeah, hope you don't mind if I give you a tour of my mansion. Yeah, all of this for you, babe. Nothing
I don't like how this candle closed here, guys. I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even here. This is 6373.
just wanna make you happy. I just wanna call on
Yeah, I don't like how this candle closed, so my stops has been moved to break even. Don't like how we close with a top wick. So with a long wick like this, I do not like it. So we'll see what happens here. But my stop loss has been moved to break even. I didn't take no partials yet because I didn't get 10 pips yet. So stop to set break even for me right now on this GJ trade. So we'll see what happens.
you. Got too much going on in that mind. Let me help you. Let me give you the moments in your life to step to fly away together. Can't help it with your body. Just wanna make you happy. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Another thing I won't do. Ooh yeah. I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Ooh yeah.
Yep. Didn't like how that candle closed. That's why I moved my stops to break even. The hell? Yeah, I've been stopped out, guys. I've been stopped out of GJ. Huh?
Same.
Yeah. Yep, definitely don't like this bullish candle.
This looks like you see a little bit resistance on the left. It's bouncing on that resistance, like copying.
I mean, if you're using the body, yeah, but I use the wicks. I don't use the body. If you're using the body, yeah. because this was actually where price rejected, not here. We got to 166.560 and we rejected. If you go to the lower time frame, you will see clearly, like 3 minute, that's where we got to. We got there and that's where we rejected. And higher time frame, we just have a potential weak fill, like on the 1 hour. So let's see what happens. You really should push up, because now we also have this demand right here sitting here. So if we do break, we could come down just to retest this again, or we could continue pushing up, but we've been stepped out, so it does not matter. So we're just gonna have to wait for London. Just gonna have to wait for London. Gold also be waiting for London open before we do anything. Well, if you're not in US30, if this candle closes bullish, then you could take sell below this support. But the best thing to do, if you ask me, if this candle closes like this, then we're gonna have a new Asian session low, meaning we're gonna have a new Asian session low right here, and US30 could actually push up, because now we got I like to call this a minor demand here, because this was a continuation that we had right here. And we continue pushing up previously. I believe this was New York session. So best thing to do is to wait to see if price is gonna break below the support that we're currently forming right here, US30. Because when you're trading as well, don't just look at zone, also look at what happened in the past sessions as well. Because right now you get Asian session high right here, Asian session high right here. So if US30 breaks above previous Asian session high, you just wait for the retest and then the continuation, and also that's the resistance as well. It's like gold right now. That's the reason why I'm not in gold. Plus, I was looking for it to come down and retest here. If it doesn't do that, if gold closes like this, then Asian session high will be right here. And that's going to be our new resistance for gold to break, retest, and we look for buys. I could have stayed in GG, but I had my reason for moving my stop loss to entry. So even if GG continues, I don't feel bad about moving my stops to entry.
The most important, you need to follow strategy. What you plan, you need to execute.
Yep, that's it. Because plus London hasn't opened yet, so still got. You got 10 pips, GG Money. I thought you said you were not in. Well, if you stayed in, well, congratulations to you. Oh, that's why you stayed in? Okay. Let's see. Did anyone stay in on Zoom? Without
No, I didn't.
Oh, Faye, you here? Okay.
Yeah, I'm here. Hi.
Oh, is Red Lady here? She's quiet today. What's going on? She's sleepy?
Yeah, she's logged in. Yeah.
Well, if you got 10 pips already, hey, you know what to do. Move your stops to break even, take your passions. Can we get 100 likes? You don't like the top week too? Yeah, I didn't like it either. Do I trade crypto? No, I don't. Me too. Me too. I was a little bit late to get in. Yeah, that's why I got stopped out. If not, I would have still been in it, even with me moving my stop to a BE. Because I got very good spreads.
Hey, what is your plans on the GG now?
I needed to break 166,560. I feel like GG is gonna continue pushing up, and gold might actually fall a little bit more, but we'll see what happens with London volume. Is it here? So. Yo, sorry, it was right there though. See, if you are taking US30 sales, you would have been faked out. Alright, London opens in 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna do this right here. If we look at a higher time frame right now, 1 hour for example, we got clean traffic to the left, but that doesn't mean gold cannot fall. But we got clean traffic to the left, all the time frames. On the 15 minute, we got clean traffic to the left until we get to 2028. Looking at gold, we'll see what happens with London volume. If I catch a sell, I will take a sell at this low. If we start crossing it, Faye, what do you think can happen right where we are right now? Based on what we've went over in the mentorship session.
We were looking at 1 hours.
There's a high probability that we could fall.
Yeah. Well, it's got that nice big engulfing candle that it needs to fill. Yeah, below those wicks. Yep.
We'll just use this level as TP1 potentially. We could break, but if we start, let me see something here. Okay, that's fine. But if we start breaking these lows here, I'm taking a sell. Just don't ask me why. Don't ask me why. Just know if that happens, I'm taking a sell. If we can't break this new Asian session highs, I am taking a sell if we start crossing these lows. If you're like, hey, but hey, we pushing up. Why did you take a sell? You don't have to get in. Just let me do me.
Trouble is, you do you so well.
I mean, I know we're pushing up, and I also know what we have to the left on the 5 minute, and I also know that this is the Asian session high. That's what
Well, the fact is you won't enter either way until the market actually shows you that it's going that way with more certainty either way. So
yeah.
It's not like you're going to enter a buy or a sell from where price is right now.
Mm-hmm. Some people don't understand that.
I get it. That used to be me for sure. The candle is blue. Just enter a buy.
No, I'm not in yet. There is no entry. And if gold falls, this could either be a quick sell, or we could come all the way back down to 1996. Just have to wait and see what happens. Oh man. GJ. See? Man, this would have been a nice one. Yeah, this would have been the candle. At about 18 pips down. So right now we just have to wait to see if GJ is going to keep doing this. and eventually break above, or we're gonna come down and break below this low. If we break below this, then we look for sells. Weak sells. Damn, you're in gold already? This person trades like Jaturi.
Yeah. Trades like the old me.
But he be winning though. Sometimes, if not most of the time. Be nice to see GJ. Yeah, GJ double top. Yeah, we didn't quite tap into the double top, but we got a supply here. Double top, and also you also have to understand that just because you see a double top or triple top does not mean that price is gonna fall. You need more confirmations. Okay, we're breaking above. Forget about sales. Forget about sales right now. Until further notice. You're in gold? Okay. I need my retest before I get in. If this candle closes bullish, then we can say, okay, we might have demand here. You can possibly use the whole zone here. All we need is one candle or two candle retest. First, we need this candle to close above. See if gold is gonna give us that setup. Look at US30. What? Wait a minute. There is a breaker block from 2107 to 2021. What the hell is a breaker block? Anyone knows what a breaker block is?
Never heard of it.
Anyone knows what a breaker block is? Please help me. I'm a novice trader. Help me.
I go Google it.
He says it's a flip zone.
Someone said, oh, this person is Nigerian. He said that's what Nepal uses to cut the light in Nigeria. Other block. I also, again, help me out with this one. Like I said earlier, I'm a novice trader. What's the difference between supply and demand and order block? Order block traders. I definitely know what order block is. I mean, obviously, ICT came up with it. I'm not knocking it off, but can somebody tell me the difference between order block and supply and demand? Because to me, it's the freaking same. Freaking effing same. There's no difference. There's no difference. So why the hell come out with something that's already available and then
Because it
freaking change the name just because you want to sell a freaking mentorship program?
Yeah.
It's the freaking same. Look, I promise you, if you go to another freaking so-called Forex guru and they start telling you a name that you've never heard before, even though you're not a basic trader, you know you at least you know the basic stuff, and you're hearing a name that you've never heard before, run away. There is nothing freaking new to learn right now. It's the freaking same. Everything you need to know is already there. It's the same. If you're hearing a brand new name, they just playing you. They just want to make money off of you. Now, I'm not saying whatever they're going to teach you is not going to work, right? That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is they're just coming up with this freaking ridiculous name. That's all I'm saying. No, I'm not in. Exactly. It's messing up the minds of new traders. Exactly. And that's what I freaking have a problem with. Yeah, Forex is hard. Yes, true. But you can make it simple.
Yeah, like more you know, more you're confused. You need like stick one basic strategy and that's it.
Yeah. Yep, it's nothing but fancy names. Even freaking supply and demand. No, I call it that myself because it just kind of, makes sense. Supply and demand is still technically support and resistance. Just like how we have that is when you have a resistance, that resistance can become a support, right? If you know the new trader, you already know this. So when price breaks above a resistance, now that same resistance would eventually become support. The same thing with supply and demand as well. A supply can eventually turn out to be a demand, and vice versa. You're going to make a courses in trend lines and Logan said, I'm going to make a courses in trend lines and call it the bouncy sticks. Oh man, you guys got me cracking up. Oh man. Why didn't I take the buys? Because I'm waiting for a retest. If she drives, then she drives. If she doesn't give me what I'm looking for, no, I'm not interested. Thank you. They are called slopes. Look at what I told you. We got a double top over here, right? You say, oh, DJ is gonna fall now. Boom, I'm gonna take a sell. Now look at what happened. DJ can just keep doing this. Now we could go back up and retest this new supply that we have over here. Right here. We could go back, tap into this zone, and then fall this time around. But I'm not interested in this range right now. I'm either going to wait for the break below this zone, 166.220, or a break above 166.560. Simple. Let's see what we're gonna get here. 10 buys right there. We do not have a stop loss yet right now, so don't start tripping and start saying, oh, this stop loss is huge. We're not in yet, so.
Make it fire. Yeah, me no understand.
But if gold start breaking below the support I showed you guys earlier, I'm taking sell. But for now, we'll be looking for buys. DJ says I should wish you luck. Yeah, she could fall, but for me, I'm not taking the sell until we start crossing these lows here. Yeah, gold has a lot of volatility today. This candle right now already moved 12 pips, so let's just say 10 pips. If in gold buys, final TP will be all the way up here for 100 plus pips. If she keeps me in. What's the playlist called? I'm using a website called Epidemic Sounds. That's how I get my music. So I get my music for the stream.
Hey guys, I can't seem to keep my eyes open this morning. So I'll catch you guys in New York session, okay?
All right.
Take care, bye.
Into me.
Your screen is not clear. It's probably your YouTube because I'm streaming on 1080p. So you probably have to change your resolution on YouTube. Yes, maybe we'll see what happens. This is where we currently rejected this supply right here. Now she could also fall, but I want to play it safe and wait until we start breaking below this. Let me see something on the pre-minute. Are we going to consider a NAS buy? No, not right now.
Never seen it quite like this. She be the hottest in town, coming out the twilight lit. Yeah, let them know who got the crown. Girl, who does it like you do. Always keep it hundo when you move. You don't really want it with her crew. Yeah, don't need that drama, she calling your mama. Ooh, who that on the move? Be rolling with the baddest, we can't lose. Party till the morning, how we do. Just had to feel on your body, girl, you so addicted. She got that tsunami. When you there with me, can't be still. Don't you hurt nobody. You be alone if looks can kill. Hey, for don't say, for bouger. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Hey, for don't say, for bouger. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Hey, for don't say, for bouger. Don't say, for bouger. Don't say, bouger. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Wind up on me now, wind up on me, girl. We on the dance floor, we vibing. We in so deep like we mobbing. You got my temperature rising. No one like you, boo. Always keep it hundo when you move. They don't really want it with our crew. Don't need that drama, she calling your mama. Ooh, who that on the move? Me rolling with the baddest, we can't lose. Party till the morning.
This candle closes in 1 minute. Oh, you're in a buy?
She got that tsunami. When you there with me, can't be still. Don't you hurt nobody. You be alone if looks can kill. Hey, for don't say, for bouger. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Hey, for don't say, for bouger. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Hey, for don't say, for
How your weekend was, Abe?
Yeah, my weekend was great. It's great. It was fun. I slept all day on Saturday though, except for yesterday.
Abe, how you rest from trading? Because like on the weekends, all the time I'm thinking about charts and like and rest. I want like faster to come Monday.
I mean, you just have to, do something that's gonna keep you busy whenever you feel like that. If you gotta watch movies, listen to music, or go to sleep, or go out, or go to the gym, whatever you have to do to stop you from just thinking about the charts. I do it sometimes.
Yeah,
It happens to me too sometimes. Like, I can't just wait for Monday.
yeah, because you need rest your mind. Yeah, like
Yeah, you do. That's why you need rest. I don't, even though I don't really rest that much. Like, I just want to keep going, keep looking for something to do.
that's good. That's passion.
Yeah. I try to stay on the grind. Money don't sleep. We humans, we're the sleepy ones. Money can be made 365 days a year, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. So money doesn't sleep. You sleep when you die.
Yeah, man, I do as well. London, New York, Asian session. I sleep like 3 hours, sometimes in the middle of the day, a couple hours as well.
Man, 99.9% of the time when I finish trading in London, I don't go to sleep.
But it's not means like I'm always taking trades like Asian. I'm doing like breakout strategy, like if nothing, then nothing.
Yeah.
Most of the time, like 2 hours watching charts, and if nothing, just going to sleep.
We are addicted to the chat. If you were 9 to 5 job, you want long weekend. That's a fact, though. Oh, I remember when I had 9 to 5. Oh shit! I just couldn't wait to freaking get back home. Like,
Same.
I was like, man, I keep watching the time. I'm like, damn. Or my freaking lunch break. I'm like, man, is it time for my lunch break yet? Man, it's not time yet. Like, man, I just keep watching my time. I hated working 9 to 5 with a passion. Like, oh, man, God is good.
Yeah, believe me, I was working so many factories. Damn. But now I go like full in trading, and it's a blessing.
Man, yes, it is.
Just-
I just feel privileged, man. That's it. If you know how to trade, man, like, I just see it as privilege because there are so many people that have been trying to do this for years and are still struggling. No, I also had my first share of struggles, but it didn't take me that long.
Well, it depends on a person, on a character, and on a person by self, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Like if you don't love to trade, you know, I think you will be not successful. You know, if you love to trade,
Yeah,
it will come eventually.
Yeah, you have to love it. If you don't, you're just gonna quit. And you could have, kept on going, give it time until you actually figure it out before you quit.
Yeah, but I think you need to close from everything. You need to quit friends. You need to just be locked in, and it will come. But if you're thinking like, oh, I will go now spend time with friends, I will go have a drink, then I don't know.
So this bullish candle, we'll see what this bullish candle does. But all I know is if we do not start breaking these highs, I won't be taking buys, because if we start to break this low, that's another confirmation to get in for sales. But I'll wait until we start breaking around 2010, 70.70. Yeah. So we'll see. You shall see what happens. Sina's trying to break out here. We'll wait for the retest. Right now, until we actually start breaking above the previous high, even, I'm not looking for buys. Yes, we are. You're absolutely 100% correct. Have you guys realized that since after Easter, London session hasn't been the same? It even shows in the trades I've taken after Easter. Nice breaking to the upside. Yeah, if it does, I'm gonna need it to retest. If she does, fine. If she doesn't, then hey, it is what it is. You're getting ready to sell gold at 17 this time? Oh, 2017, you mean? Because right here, so basically we need to break above that. This is what we need to break above. We do that, I mean, it ain't buys. I'm not taking GJ sales right now. Damn, nothing has really been happening since London opened. Nothing really. Doing GJ sales. All right. I think you have enough people range though. So that is why I will be checking myself. If this candle closes bearish, now it's looking more like we're gonna fall with volume. If this candle closes bearish, we could actually fall. So we'll see. Because right now we are still rejecting the supply. You said GJ says, baby, if he dies, he dies. We got a supply over here, right? But if we break these new highs that we created here, that would have been my entry for buys. But right now, this supply is still holding. So I'm gonna delete this one so you guys can see it better. That's where we rejected at, but I want gold to break this first support we have here, and the second one, if we start crossing it, I will be getting in a sell. Right now, it's still looking more like sells. Just looking for more confirmations here before I actually take a sell. So we break these highs, buys, we start breaking these lows, I'll be in sales. Gbpjpy. Oh, no. Is it? I think this is the one. Let's see. Oh. Yeah, I think this is the one I would like to use. Whoever said gold, GJ, that they in GJ sell, they are not completely wrong, because you can see we came down, This is the Asian session high. We rejected here for a reason. We came back down and rejected a supply that we formed here. Right now, the new supply is right over here. Came down and we've been retesting it, but I'm just not interested in trading this range simply because I do not like it. I'm just gonna wait for it to either break above or break below. Break above or break below this range. I simply do not like it because also we've been creating all these freaking wicks, which is rejecting the demand that we formed here. So this range here, I'm not interested in nothing with GJ as of right now. But that's just me, you know. Someone else might be like, hey, shit, I'm gonna take a sell right there. Or, oh shit, I'm gonna take a buy. You know, do you, but for me, I'm not trading that range. The way market is moving right now, you have to be very, 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 very careful. It feels like a Monday. I mean, it is Monday. If GJ is still in that range that I showed earlier, if GJ is still in this range, I'm not taking a buy, neither am I taking a sell. Yeah, if I were you, I'll stay away from the GJ range right now. That Goku pick is a nice word. What Goku pick? The black Goku. I just get it manually. I don't use buy stops, sell stops. So I have to go use the restroom real quick, but if we start breaking above this horizontal red line here, before I get back, take buys, and if we start breaking below this one at the bottom, take sells. I gotta go use the restroom real quick. Oh, this is what I forgot to tell you guys before I left, real quick. Now, this sell entry, right? This sell entry and the buy entry is actually gonna be before the 1 hour candle closes. It's gonna be before the 1 hour candle closes. If we start crossing this right now, I will jump in the sell. But if we don't, before the 1 hour candle closes, then I'll still be waiting. That means I'm gonna have to wait for the break of this support and then a retest for me to take my sells. I would like for you to do it right now, but we'll see what happens. See how the 1 hour is gonna do and what this 5 minute is gonna do. You are gonna say something?
It did a big top wick, so it will do bottom one now. 1 hour.
Yeah. Because if we fail If we fail to break this support, then we'll be looking at the 1 hour range. Come on, break it. Start breaking. Come on. I didn't take it yet, guys. I needed to start crossing it.
But you take after 1 hour closes or before, doesn't matter? Or when it's just...
So before the 1 hour closes, if we start crossing it, then that's when I will take it. But if she does not, I'm going to have to wait for the break and retest of that zone. What the hell? I'm in the cell. Oh, no. What the hell? I'm grabbing the wrong freaking tool here. I keep grabbing the wrong tool. What's going on? Okay. That's my entry here. Let me take 38. What the hell? All the way down here? Yeah, price is definitely not the same thing with my broker, but I'll put it down here. Yeah, I got in before this. Oof. Stop loss. Damn, stop loss is 40 pips. All right, CP1 right here. See what happens.
I think 2007.7 can have a little struggle.
I'm gonna have my stop loss right here for about 35 pips. Got a support here, resistance here. Is also a demand. In between that, we have a 20 to 40 pips. So we could either get 20 or 40 pips out of this if she continues dropping, or we could actually get 60 pips. We'll see. Oh, stop loss is 2013.884. I'm willing to risk 35. I'm doing 35, I'm like 30. Good morning, Yen Lover. OM, are you here on Zoom? Okay. OM, so the 20K funded that I got from the 5%ers, I'm using one standard. I'm not using 1.5. I'm gonna use one standard all through. Supply here, we retested it here. See what gold is gonna do. Shall see what you're trying to do. Okay. No worries. Where's my stop? I do have a tight stop loss here. The reasonable stop loss here should be above 2015, but I'm going to manage my risk because if we start breaking above the new supply we found here, the one that we tested, the previous supply, then there's no point holding this trade for me anymore. So that's why I moved my stop loss to 2013.84. I believe that's about 30 pips instead of having a 40 pip stop loss. Plus, based on my risk management, I'm not willing to lose 40 pips. Those who listened to you earlier on DJ Sales, you're welcome. Your TPE, oh nice. So you got volume now. We'll see if gold is gonna make us some money. Oh, man, I need to go get me some water, but I almost... Yes, Monk. Yes, I will be. Monk Nation. DJ Snoring. You said gold creating suspect candles. Damn. market is just ranging today. If we do not start falling right after this candle closes and break these highs now, that would be freaking crazy. But I'm gonna wait and see. Maybe we're trying to retest this again before we actually fall. So we'll see. Break this candle high. Close like that. Retest and GG.
Every time I come around you, baby girl, something doesn't feel the same. You said that I'm changing, but it's really you. I see how you play those games. Wifey type for a main man. A queen can make moves, a king can't. Snatch you up, now you take it.
You have 14 pips in GG. Yeah, she got to 10 pips here for me too, but it wasn't fast enough. Or maybe I think she did. If gold doesn't fall now, it's gonna be crazy. It'll just be one of those days.
You don't turn on me now. You don't get no time for me now, babe. Got him on a rebound, but it's only you that I like, babe. Tout ce que j'ai fait, c'était pour toi. Sur le haut parlement, t'écoutes pas. Tu me vois crever, mais
Sometimes also when you're trying to catch a sell from the top like this, sometimes you know you could just get in the trade and not be in no drawdowns, and sometimes you could be in a drawdown before price start moving your way, or you could actually lose. Good setup for long on GJ. Let's see what you're talking about. Yeah, if we reject here, I think we're gonna break all these minor demands to the left. So if we come down and reject here, then you could see GJ push back up to 166,400, back to the 4-hour highs. And then if we keep falling and we have nothing but bearish candles, you could see GJ retest this supply that we formed here. Now, if we do not continue falling here and come back down to this major demand here, I will be anticipating sales. Either we retest this low or we actually retest this supply for us to continue falling. But if we come all the way down and reject this major demand here, which is also the Asian session low, then I'll be looking for a buy setup back to the supply or these lows here. Man, I gotta pee. I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick, guys, and I'll be right back. So, see where the stop loss is. That's where I'm gonna get out.
Yeah. No escaping from my mind, but low key. You know that you one of a kind, wanna show me, baby, the things you feel do with that body, yo. Show up everywhere that I be, yo. All you wanna do is party, yo. I know. You are the type that they want me about, when I'm with you, all the wrong feels alright, yeah. She the real thing. Cold-hearted like Greenland. Church girl, like a yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, she said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me, yeah. Yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, fashionably late on purpose, all eyes on you. Fashionably late. Wind up on the place, not all of the guys want you. Shut it down. Knows how to move it and checking what I
We took a sell on gold.
we making a movie, the things you and I go through. Every time we link up, it's a roller coaster when we make love. Sometimes I don't really know where I have you. Feels like someday you could flip us. She the real thing, but she cold-hearted like Greenland. Church girl moving like a queen pen. Hey, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me, yeah. Baby, do you know if you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me? She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. Baby, do you know if you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me? She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me, yeah. Yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me, yeah. Why you gotta be so cold sometimes, girl?
What do I think of NAS100? I need NAS to break out of this range. So honestly, this gold trade here, got TP1 here, TP2 here, TP3 here, but I'm gonna take my first partials once I get 10 plus pips.
Yeah, girl, you looking better than the photos. Need more of your time, so I'm watching you in slow mo. Yeah, busy schedule, but it doesn't really matter when it comes to you. Yeah, I can wait till we're together.
All right, profit secured. Profit secured. More stops to break even. Very nice. If you took gold, let's see those W's. Alright. I was able to secure, let me see here. Able to secure 14 here. Oh, come on.
She mesmerized with her eyes when she's so close. Yeah, you gon' see when you get to know me. I'll be right beside you when you're lonely. How you be swinging with the body, put it on me. Won't you be the body in my story?
Oh, 13. Sorry guys, take that back. 13, not 14. If I get 20 pips, I'll be taking more partials and probably leave the rest to run to TP. But I'm gonna move my stops to profit just a little bit here. I'm not giving my broker any money back. 31. I moved my stop loss a little bit below entry. For me on my account, my new stop loss is 2010.31.
Abe, how are you taking partials, like percentages?
I recommend
You're taking like
I recommend you take at least 75%, but for me, most of the time, I take 90%.
first one 90, then 5, and leave runner.
Between 75 to 90. That's what I recommend. At least 15 pips right now. See if we can get 20. If we can get 20, that would be nice. All right. If GJ does not get to this demand right here, I wouldn't be taking the buys, potential buys, because we could actually keep dropping. But before that, we need to break this Asian lows. All right, shape plus circle. Okay, I've been stopped out. Yeah, gold is tripping this session. This thing should have continued falling easily.
Yeah, I was thinking same.
Yeah. It could have continued falling easily. But also, she could be trying to retest this and then start falling again. Okay. No GU for me. Damn, it's past 3:30 already? Damn, time is going fast today. Or maybe because it's a slow freaking market. I didn't even realize. Now we are approaching the potential buy zone. On GJ. Not from this what I said. I recommend closing at least 75%. to 90%. However many percentage you want to close, that depends on you. If we cross this low, I'm gonna take another sell. I'm not in yet, guys.
She moving real slow when she pulling me close. Me like it when we kiss and make up. She be getting paper. Me like it. Girl, that body so tight. Gonna be a long night. Me like it. Baby, me no chase.
Not in yet.
Replace us, okay? Yeah. Up and away we go. I can never find nobody like you, my baby. Oh, hit him one time. Yeah. She no play no game.
She didn't get there on my account. I'm in the cell.
Won't you be my number one, number one, number one, number one, number one, number one, number one. Won't you be my number one, number one, number one, number one, number one, number one, number one.
See what happens. All right. See if gold is gonna drive down easily here. Oh, Faye, you're still here?
Yeah, I just had to jump onto a different device.
Okay. I got stopped out of the first one, so and then I took this re-entry here as my second trade, and I think that will be that for me for this session.
Uh-huh.
Tomorrow we might take 2 trades again, we might take 3, depends on what the market looks like. Today I'm not taking more than 2. We got a retest of this support. That's why I took the sell re-entry. So we'll see. But I'm gonna move this wick up here. You took a buy, tight SL, DXY making a distribution block. Oh boy. Distribution block. You lost me on that one. DJ reversed. Yes, you could get potential buys here. But this thing could just keep falling. Yeah. She might keep falling. But you know, if she breaks this, just wait for the retest before you take the sell to the next swing lows for your final TP. Okay, good. It's officially tripping. If we do not reject here, I'm gonna get out of gold. She shows me a sign of breaking above that. Oh, actually, you know what? Instead of me getting out, I'm gonna move my stop loss. Just a little higher in 1 minute. Not that much of a difference. Yeah, I'll move my stops right there. Uh, 2011.93. $20.11.93. That's where my stop loss is. What's that? You getting worried? You panicking? You see the small things that I miss sometimes? At least let me lose the trade first. Or let me close the negative first. But I love how, as traders, we all see the chart differently. I saw potential for gold to continue dropping. That's why I took the sell. I still feel like she's gonna fall. Even if I lose this trade, it's probably gonna be because maybe I had a late entry. Maybe I should have waited for it to pull back some more before she fell. But I don't see gold breaking above these highs, 2015. In my own opinion, the sell is better. If you're taking a buy, your buys is more risky. That's my own opinion. Am I in? Yes, I'm in. I should give you a good trade. Give yourself a good trade. Gold to 1996. Damn. Snap, you're trying to catch all this? I see you're trying to catch 100 pips. nice if this candle just boom engulf and break these lows. You guys will start smiling at that point. I'm good, Maddie. Thank you for asking. Yeah. Yep. She's still dropping. That's why you man, Gigi moving nicely today. Go. Let's see what this candle is about to open. So I'm not going to be managing risk with this trade. I already have my stop loss set at where I want to get out. Oh, let me send this to. So. If I'm negative 30 pips, I will get out of gold. And then it will be on to New York session. My SL, I moved my SL to 2011.93. I might not wait until it gets there. I might get out before that. We'll see. But if I do get out of gold, I'll definitely will let you guys know if I'm still on stream. And I probably will wait until we at least secure 10 plus or I close out of the trade.
No.
I'm currently down 20 pips right now. Back to negative 18. Honestly, gold should freaking just be falling, but hey, if you understand supply and demand that you trade in 5 minutes, you're not even gonna question me that gold shouldn't be falling right now. And like I said, if I lose this trade, it's probably gonna be because of one reason. And that's gonna be after I got in, price decided to do a slight pullback before she continued falling, because gold is still gonna fall, in my own opinion. And I don't think you should be looking for buys until we break above 2015 or we come down to this support here at around 2004 and she shows you a buy setup. Give some money and oh, you mean GJ gave you some money? Oh, you're looking at trend line on the 4 hour. Let's see what trend line you're looking at. Oh, you're looking at a bullish trend line. Well, new 4 hour candle just opened. And if gold continues to fall, New York session, we might see gold pushing up. Or she could continue dropping. Do I pay attention? To the 4 hour? I mark my zones on the 4 hour time frame. Oh, you've never traded gold? Yeah, sometimes gold be like this. Mostly London session though. She acts better though in New York. My main concern right now is gold. That's the trade I'm in. Gold with DJ rejected. Oh, there is a demand right there. I'll suggest wait for the retest here. Plus, this is the new lows. Wait for that retest. Down 24 pips. Back to 20. When we took this sell, we were not in profit. We were not even in profit for 5 minutes. There's a key level 165.900 on GJ. Yeah, I believe that's where we rejected. Oh, right here. Yeah, we're still rejecting it. I think she's gonna push up. Except if she breaks this low. If she breaks this low, if you take sales, you should be fine. I'm not expecting gold to break the zone I have marked here, but hey, if she breaks it, then it is what it is, and that's what price the market decided to do. Damn, since last week I've been staying longer here. It's past 4 a.m. US30 shows some breakout. If she breaks this bullish candle bottom wick here, if you take sales, it should be fine. I'm gonna wait until New York before I take any more trades. I'm not taking any more trades. It's because you, That's why you stay long. That's why I stay longer. Am I out? No, I'm still in. So if I get to -30, that's when I'm gonna get out. I was at -20 earlier. Now I'm at -24. So honestly, it's been fluctuating between -18 and 24. I mean, the strategy you're using now, if you're profitable using the strategy you're using now, then why do you have to change? There's no reason for you to change. Just keep using it. You can, trick it a little bit to suit your style. And if it's working for you, then there's no need to, keep looking for another strategy. Even if the strategy you're using is 65% win rate, as long as you're making money, who cares? Okay, this is now we actually pass negative 25 pips. I'm at 27. This candle closes in 1 minute. I'll go back to 25. If we don't fall from here, forget it, then we might go back to the previous highs, and then that could be where we will reject to fall down again. Hanging on to dear life here in gold. Okay. I'm out. I'm out, guys. I get to 30 pips on this trade. Alright, guys, definitely a losing London session today. So, Zoom, I'll see you guys down in New York, and let's try to make back what we just lost here during this session during New York. YouTube, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Like I said, today was definitely a loss. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. YouTube.
Recording stopped.
Place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race, every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see, cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something